Think a cement factory is just about concrete? In Burkina Faso, it's a symbol of national independence, brick by brick. With the military government leading and China backing the $75 million project, this nation is sending a clear message. Burkina Faso is open for business on its own terms. Chapter 1. A nation under construction. First, a quick snapshot of Burkina Faso's current situation. In recent years, the country has been going through serious political changes. After a period of instability, Captain Ibrahim Traoré emerged as the new military leader, steering the country to rebuild its economy, strengthening security, and reclaiming full sovereignty from external pressures. This isn't just a routine change of government, it's a transformational moment for a nation eager to redefine its path forward. The urgency to get things moving, especially infrastructure projects that could boost jobs and industry, has never been greater. So when the government announced the opening of a cement factory, it wasn't just about bricks and mortar, it was a symbol of something bigger: nation building, economic defiance, and independence. Chapter 2. The Cement Factory. Now, let's talk about what exactly was built. The factory is officially called the Sino-Burkina Industrial Cement Company, or Sino-B, located in Ziniare, in Burkina Faso's Plateau Central region. This isn't just any factory, it's a cutting-edge facility with the capacity to produce 2,000 tons of cement per day, which equals about 750,000 tons annually. This venture is a collaboration between Burkinabe and Chinese investors, blending local commitment with international expertise. The factory spans about 12.5 hectares and was built entirely using advanced Chinese technology, making it a modern, eco-conscious industrial site. Why does this matter? Well, beyond just the economic specs, it's a loud statement from Burkina Faso's military government saying, "We are back in business and we are writing our own rules." The factory stands as a beacon of hope after years of political and security crises, promising to support local construction, reduce dependency on expensive imports, and spark broader economic growth. Chapter 3. Key figures behind the project. Who made this happen? Front and center is Captain Ibrahim Traoré, who personally pushed for the factory's completion. In his speeches, Traoré emphasized that this project isn't just industrial development. It's a political and social mission to empower the Burkinabe people with jobs and self-determination. On the Chinese side, Mr. Zhang Bing, the Deputy Director General of the factory, highlighted the partnership's spirit, one of mutual respect and shared goals. He praised local workers for their skills and dedication, emphasizing that while the technology came from China, the factory is truly a product of Burkinabe manpower and leadership. This isn't just a business deal, it's a friendship in action. Both leaders acknowledge the importance of collaboration that respects Burkina Faso's laws and sovereignty, signaling a break from past models of foreign involvement. Chapter 4. Economic Impact and National Goals. Let's drill down into the numbers, because this is where the rubber meets the road. The factory was built with an investment of about 26 billion CFA francs. That's roughly between 43 and 75 million US dollars. This is a massive investment for Burkina Faso, signaling serious intent to industrialize. What's more exciting? The factory already employs over 110 permanent workers, along with hundreds of seasonal employees during peak production periods. This job creation is a major boost for the local economy, offering steady income and skill development for Burkinabe youth. In terms of output, producing 750,000 tons annually is no small feat. The capacity is also scalable, with plans to increase production to 1.2 million tons. That means more affordable cement on the market, less need for imports, and a stronger domestic construction industry. Why does this matter so much? Cement is the foundation of infrastructure, roads, schools, and housing. By cutting costs and controlling supply locally, the factory helps accelerate Burkina Faso's economic recovery and plays a critical role in rebuilding efforts after years of turmoil. Chapter 5. Environmental and Technological Side. What sets this cement factory apart is its focus on technology and sustainability. Built with 100% Chinese technology, the facility includes advanced systems designed for waste management, recycling leftover materials, and integrating renewable energy into the production process. Now, green technology like this isn't something you hear about a lot in big infrastructure projects across West Africa, making this a big deal. Sino-B isn't just aiming to produce cement, it's committed to reducing environmental impact and managing emissions efficiently. That means less pollution and a step toward long-term sustainability. This factory is more than just a business. It's a model for Africa's future industrial projects. It shows how economic growth and protecting the environment don't have to be at odds. Burkina Faso is proving that with smart technology and a green mindset, you can build a stronger economy and a healthier planet at the same time. Chapter 6. Chinese Partnership and Burkina Faso's Open Door. Even with Western warnings labeling Burkina Faso a red zone, Chinese investors didn't hesitate to step in again in 2023. They moved quickly, completing the cement factory construction and launching it by October 2024, a remarkable feat given the challenges in the region. This fast execution sends a powerful signal. International partnerships can thrive when there's real commitment and respect. Director General Zhang Bing, leading the Chinese team, made it clear this isn't just about cement. He's eyeing expansion into mining, agriculture, and agro-industry, showing that this cooperation could be the start of a broader economic relationship. Meanwhile, Captain Ibrahim Traore's government is extending a strong welcome to foreign investors, but with one big condition: respect for Burkina Faso's laws, rules, and sovereignty. It's not about opening the doors blindly, it's about forging sincere partnerships based on equality, not dependence. This approach flips the usual expectation of foreign investment by putting Burkina Faso firmly in control of its economic destiny. Chapter 7. Building pride, reducing costs, and resisting control. Burkina Faso isn't just signing deals, it's taking control of the local market. The government plans to negotiate with all cement producers to lower cement prices, making it more affordable for construction, infrastructure, and housing projects that the country desperately needs. Thanks to rich local reserves of limestone and clay, the country can scale up production and reduce reliance on expensive imports. More than economics, this factory is a symbol of national pride and defiance. Captain Traoré has openly criticized Western media and companies like Air France for painting Burkina Faso as unsafe, calling these labels misleading and harmful. The cement factory embodies Burkina Faso's message. The country is rising from within, standing tall, independent, and no longer reliant on foreign charity or control. This project marks a turning point. It's about building infrastructure, sure, but it's also about building a nation's sovereignty and rewriting its story. Burkina Faso is proving that with strong partnerships, respect, and national will, it's possible to chart a new path that defies outside pressure and centers local empowerment. Chapter 8. A model for African self-reliance. Could this cement plant and Burkina Faso's approach be a prototype for other African nations? This is a crucial question. For too long, many African countries have faced the dilemma of aid dependency or investments that come with significant, sometimes compromising conditions. Burkina Faso's strategy, combining local resources with foreign expertise, offers a compelling alternative. This model allows a nation to leverage external support without sacrificing control over its development agenda. It's a bold stand against what many perceive as historical patterns of aid dependency and foreign manipulation. By prioritizing partnerships that empower local economies and uphold national sovereignty, Burkina Faso is attempting to forge a new economic model for the continent. This approach suggests that African nations can dictate the terms of their engagement with global powers, fostering relationships that genuinely contribute to self-reliance rather than perpetuating external control. It emphasizes that development can be achieved through strategic, respectful collaborations that ultimately strengthen a nation's independence. Chapter 9. A foundation for the future. So, what does all this mean for Burkina Faso's future? This cement factory is far more than just an industrial project. It symbolizes jobs, growth, and crucially, self-determination for a nation that has endured significant challenges. Captain Traoré's firm stance, emphasizing that he is building the country, not just talking about it, reflects a proactive and determined leadership. The strengthening China-Burkina ties are a clear indicator of a shift in geopolitical alignments, emphasizing South-South cooperation that prioritizes mutual benefit and respect. This cement plant is laying the literal foundation for a new, independent future for Burkina Faso, brick by brick. The national motto, "Homeland or death, we will overcome," isn't just a phrase, it's a powerful rebirth of a bold national spirit. It encapsulates the resolve of a nation determined to shape its destiny, even with external pressures and internal struggles. If you believe African nations should control their resources and rewrite their future, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments, is this the future Africa needs? Thanks for watching.